Hello everyone, welcome to today's lecture. In this video, we'll discuss about other remaining instructions of SAP 2. The first one is NOP. NOP stands for No Operation. This instruction is useful when we want to delay the data processing, which is useful in timing operations. For instance, we can delay the data processing by using this instruction inside a loop. So this much about the NOP instruction of SAP 2. HLT and IN are the other instructions of SAP 2. HLT stands for halt. It ends the data processing. In is the mnemonic for input. It tells the computer to transfer the data from the designated port to the accumulator. For instance, IN02H means to transfer the data to port 2 to the accumulator. So this much about the HLT and IN instructions of SAP 2. Likewise, another SAP 2 instruction is OUT out. OUT stands for output. When this instruction is executed, the accumulator ore is loaded into the designated output port. For instance, OUT03H will transfer the contents of the accumulator to the port 3. So this much about the OUT instruction of SAP 2. RAL is another SAP 2 instruction. RAL is the mnemonic for rotate the accumulator left. These instructions will shift all the bits to the left and move the MSB into LSB position, as shown in the figure below. Here, the position of MSB is shifted into LSB position, and the other bits are shifted to the left. So let's see an example. For instance, let A is equals to 10110100. Then the execution of RAL will result in A is equals to 01101001. So here in MSB position there is 1. So this 1 is shifted into LSB, so which is shown by the yellow color, and all the other bits are shifted to the left. So this much about the RAL instruction of SAP 2. RAR is another instruction of SAP 2. RAR is the mnemonic for rotate the accumulator right. This time the bits shift to the right, the LSB going to the MSB position, as shown in the figure below. So here the LSB is shifted to the MSB position and the other bits are shifted to the right. For instance, let A is equals to 10110100. Then the execution of RAR will result in A is equals to 01011010. So here 0 is in the LSB position, so 0 is shifted to the MSB position, as shown by the yellow color. So then the other bits are shifted to the right. So this much about the RAR instructions. Also, this is all about the SAP to instructions. We will see programming examples in our next videos. This much in this video. If this video helped you understand, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, please hit the subscribe button. That way you will get notification anytime new content pops up.